Hello everyone and welcome to my new tutorial on the Smart Assistant channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to enable dark theme for the Google widget, which you will use every day. This simple trick not only refreshes the look of your phone, but also provides a better user experience. Follow me step by step and learn how to enhance the appearance of your device. So, let's first remind ourselves how to add the Google widget to the home screen. The first thing you need to do is tap and hold on any empty space on the home screen, and this will open the Options menu. In the menu that appears at the bottom of the screen, tap the gear icon, which will directly open the home screen settings page. Once you're in the home screen settings, find the Lock Home Screen Layout option, and if it's enabled, turn it off immediately. This is a necessary step you must take in order to add widgets to the home screen. While this option is enabled, you won't be able to do that. So, now go back and tap the Widgets option. After doing that, in this section, you will see a list of available apps with widgets. You need to find the Google app. Once you find it, tap the icon on the right side that looks like an upside-down triangle. Now, find the Google widget and tap on it. Then tap the Add option. This will directly add the Google widget to your home screen. You can resize it or move it to the place on the screen that suits you. Once you've done that, let's move on to how to enable dark theme for the Google widget. So, now tap and hold on the Google widget you added, and then tap the gear icon, which will open the widget settings. Once you do that, in the Color Theme section, you will see the available themes. Tap the Dark option, and right below it, you will find the slider for adjusting transparency. Slide it left or right to adjust the transparency level of the widget, so you can set the desired look. Once you're done with that, tap the Save button in the top right corner of the screen to save the changes. Now you can see that the Google widget has switched to dark theme, and all your settings have been successfully applied. That's all for this video. If you liked this video, don't forget to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. See you very soon, and thank you once again for watching.